Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Subsquid token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Subsquid is a decentralized data infrastructure network that provides fast, scalable and permissionless access to blockchain data for Web3 developers and AI applications. Decentralized data access. It operates a data lake and key query engine, allowing developers to efficiently index and retrieve on-chain information across 200 plus network. Modular and scalable tech. Its architecture uses a modular design secured by zero knowledge ZK proofs, prioritizing performance and developer consequences over monolithic frameworks. Utility driven token. The SQD token facilitates network security via staking, governs protocol upgrades, and enables participation in revenue sharing from enterprise customer payments. Subsquid project audited by Ceritic. Subsquid token total supplies 1.33 billion and circulating supplies around 1.03 billion. SQD token. SQD token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, Bybit, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.